Suppose you have methanol. So in methanol you have one hydroxyl group. Now oxygen has a lone pair of electron and it's attached with a single bond. So what kind of transitions are possible here?
N to sigma star.
N to sigma star. Why N to sigma star? Because you have a non-bonding electrons and you have a sigma star anti-bonding molecular orbital is also there. Apart from N to sigma star, और कई transition होएगी?
N to pi star.
No, बेटे, there is no pi bond. देखो ध्यान दाल pi bond.
Sigma to sigma star.
हाँ, sigma to sigma star. Why sigma to sigma star? Because you have these sigma bonds. So sigma to sigma star will take place, N to sigma star will take place. Any doubt, bete, up to this point?
No, sir.
Okay. Now suppose you have this one, CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH3. What transitions will take place in this case?
N to pi star.
हाँ जी.
Pi to pi star.
Pi to pi star, because you have pi bond over here, and apart from that,
Sigma to sigma star.
sigma to sigma star. But there will be no N to sigma star and N to pi star because there is no non-bonding electron pair is there. Now suppose you have CH2, double bond CH, single bond OH. In this case,
N to pi star.
no.
N to sigma star.
This is oxygen electron pair present over oxygen is not directly attached with this pi bond. N to pi star transition kadon hoegi when it's directly attached with your here like this, directly attached with your double bond. So here this pair of electron is attached with sigma bond. So you will have N to sigma star. Single bonds are also there. You will have sigma to sigma star, and also you will have pi to pi star. Now suppose you have this one, N double bond N, and here you have a benzene ring, and here you have benzene ring. So what transitions will take place in this case?
Pi to pi star.
Pi to pi star, because you have a double bond.
N to pi star.
N to pi star. Why N to pi star? Because this lone pair of electrons, they are directly attached with this double bond. So you will have N to pi star. Apart from that, now here's
N to sigma star.
so N to sigma star can also take place, and moreover single bonds are also there. So you can have sigma to sigma star. So all four transitions will take place in this case. Now bete, any doubt? Clear hoya bete ke nahi jo puch rahe si tusi?
Yes, sir.
Koi doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So now let us move on and let us see our next topic. And our next topic is effect of conjugation. Effect of conjugation over lambda max. So we have to see how conjugation will change lambda max. Lambda max is a wavelength at which absorption is maximum. So first of all, tell me, what is conjugation? What is conjugation? अगर conjugation अपन को पता है ताही अपन इसको discuss करांगे. What is conjugation?
Sir, alternate double single bond.
In conjugation, it takes place by orbital overlapping. It may take place between pi bonds, or it may take place between non-bonding electrons and pi bonds. Thing is, for distribution of electrons, conjugation की हुंदा है electrons distribution हुंदी है, ठीक है, migration of electrons हुंदा है, and for that your pi bonds or non-bonding and pi electrons, they must present at alternating positions. For example, if you have, let me write it over here, suppose you have ethylene, and now suppose you have 1,3-butadiene, this one. So now you can see these two double bonds, they are separated by one single bond and present over alternating position. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So their orbitals can overlap and transfer of electrons can take place. So how actually orbital overlapping take place? If I want to show orbital picture, so this is your double bond, which is formed by sidewise overlapping. And this is your second double bond, which is again formed by sidewise overlapping of p atomic orbitals like this. So one possibility is, जो ये दो वाले विचकार वाले pi p orbitals ने, they can overlap like this. ठीक है, ता air एक दूसरे हट जाएंगे, they overlap. So what will happen? This middle carbon will now acquire double bond, and this will acquire positive charge. So there is a distribution of electrons and it takes place by orbital overlapping. And that is possible only if your double bonds are present over alternating positions. So is it clear conjugation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So suppose you have this one and suppose you have this one. So here, whether these three double bonds, are they in conjugation? Just look over it. Are they in conjugation or not?
Yes, sir.
They are in conjugation. थोड़ा confidence नाल बेटे, डर के नहीं बोलना. So you have this pi bond, then single bond, pi bond, single bond, pi bond, single bond. So they are in conjugation. And suppose you have CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2, single bond CH, double bond CH2. In this case, are they in conjugation?
No, sir.
No, because these double bonds, they are not present over alternating position. Similarly, suppose you have CH2 double bond CH, single bond OH. Now these non-bonding electrons and this double bond, are they present in conjugation? Are they present in conjugation?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because they are separated by a single bond and they can be easily transferred like this. So they are in conjugation. So concept of conjugation is clear.
Yes, sir.
And we have to see what is effect of conjugation over absorption maxima. So suppose you have ethylene CH2 double bond CH2. So here pi to pi star transition take place at lambda max 185 nanometer. Okay, at 185 nanometer. Please check from book. Is it correct? 185 or it is something different? देखो effect of conjugation जो अपन discuss कर रहे हैं. Is it at 185? Your books are open with you or not?
Yes, sir. Open है.
हाँ देखो, there is a topic of effect of conjugation over lambda max.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बेटे.
Sir, प्रदीप ਦੀ book ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ page number 16 ਤੇ 175 ਲਿਖਿਆ ਜੀ.
175. Okay. So you have 175 nanometer. Now suppose I take 1,3-butadiene in which you have conjugation. In 1,3-butadiene you have conjugation. That means these two double bonds, they are in conjugation. Okay. Now here also pi to pi star transition take place, but at lambda max 217 nanometer. Is it correct? 217 is written?
Yes, sir. 217.
217 nanometer. So that means when you put another double bond in conjugation with ethylene, its lambda max shift towards longer wavelength. Similarly, if you have beta carotene, in beta carotene, you have 11 double bonds which are in conjugation, and here lambda max is 455 nanometer. And this beta carotene, you know, it is present in carrots and it's responsible for their color. So what we see over here is, if we increase conjugation, if conjugation is increased within a molecule, lambda max is also increased. Is this point is clear? याद रखना है हमेशा point. If conjugation is increased within a molecule, lambda max will be, bolo,
Increase.
increase. Lambda max will shift towards longer wavelength. Now question comes, why? Now why means lambda max kithe shift kar rahe towards longer wavelength. And when it will shift towards longer wavelength, when energy gap between two electronic energy levels will decrease or increase. Lambda max longer wavelength वाल कदों shift करेगा जब energy gap decrease होएगा या increase होएगा?
Increase.
Sir, decrease.
Decrease. Why decrease? बेटे energy is inversely proportional to wavelength. तो energy gap की हो रहा है decrease हो रहा है, wavelength की हो रही है increase हो रही है. समझ आ रही है गल के नहीं? देखो इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है कि नहीं एक दूसरे दे?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, चलो. So let us see why this happens. Why when we increase conjugation, why this lambda max it shift towards longer wavelength? So let us check out. Now you have ethylene over here, and in ethylene you have a double bond. So you have one pi bond. So in one pi bond, how many pi electrons are there? In
Sir,
pi
2.
bond, how many pi electrons are there?
Sir, 2.
2 pi electrons. And to hold these 2 pi electrons, how many molecular orbitals are required? One molecular orbital, it can accommodate maximum of how many electrons?
2 electrons.
2 electrons. So how many molecular orbitals are required? Only one. So this is your lower molecular orbital, pi, and it contains of 2 electrons, and this is your pi star. Okay, and electron jump from this pi 1 say to pi 1 star by absorption of radiations. Now in case of 1,3-butadiene, these 2 pi bonds, they are intermixed, they are in conjugation. So in this pi system, how many total pi electrons are there? There are 2 double bonds in conjugation. So how many pi electrons are there? एक के दो होंगे तो दो कितने होंगे? Simple math है.
So 4.
And to hold these 4 pi electrons, how many molecular orbitals are required?
So 2.
2. So here you have pi 1 and pi 2. So you will have pi 1 star anti-bonding molecular orbital and pi 2 star. So 2 electrons are present over here and 2 are here. Now, if you have a 3 double bonds, in that case, you must have 3 bonding and 3 anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So you will have pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, and here pi 3 star, pi 2 star, and pi 1 star. And there are 6 electrons, so you will have like this. Now, when excitation will take place, say in this case, from which orbital electron will jump into higher orbital? Pi 2 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾ jump ਕਰੇਗਾ ਜਾਂ pi 1 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾ jump ਕਰੇਗਾ? Excite ਹੋਏਗਾ empty orbital ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ।
ਸਰ pi 2 ਚੋਂ?
pi 2 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ। ਸਿੰਪਲ ਜੀ ਹੈ, ਲੌਜੀਕਲ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਪਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਹੈ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹੀ excite ਹੋਏਗਾ। So here we have two terms, one is HOMO and another is LUMO. What is HOMO? HOMO is a highest occupied molecular orbital. Here highest occupied molecular orbital is pi 2, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਹੈ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ। And what will be LUMO?
Lowest occupied molecule.
Lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਨੀਚੇ ਵੇ ਔਰ unoccupied ਹੈ। And when your transition take place, it take place between HOMO and LUMO. So here HOMO is pi 2 and LUMO is pi 2 star. Now if you compare it with ethylene molecule, its HOMO and LUMO is this one. So what about energy? Since now in intervening there are more molecular orbitals, okay, when you have in conjugation, there are more molecular orbitals involved. So energy gap between HOMO and LUMO is what? देखो ਜਦੋਂ conjugation ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, there are now more molecular orbitals and energy gap between HOMO and LUMO is increased or reduced?
So reduced.
It gets reduced. So here energy gap is say E1, here energy gap is E2, and you can easily see energy gap is reduced. So E2 is less than E1. And so wavelength will be longer. And in case of triple bond, what is HOMO here? When you have 3 double bonds in conjugation, which is HOMO here?
Pi 3.
Pi 3.
Pi 3. So you have pi 3 HOMO, and which is LUMO?
Pi 1.
Pi 3 star. So you can see energy gap between HOMO and LUMO is further reduced. So I can like this. So you can see energy gap between HOMO and LUMO is further reduced. Energy of LUMO has decreased while energy of HOMO has increased, and this gap is reduced. So more and more intervening molecular orbitals are there, more conjugation is there, HOMO and LUMO, they will come close to each other, their energy gap will reduce, and lambda max will shift towards longer wavelength. So this is the explanation. Is it clear to all of you or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who will explain it again? Who will explain? Raise your hand. Anyone who can explain? ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਬੇਟੇ, ਸਿੰਪਲ ਹੈ। ਅਗਰ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਕਰ ਦੋ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ, ਹਿੰਦੀ ਚ ਕਰ ਦੋ, ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਚ ਕਰ ਦੋ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਆਇਆ ਹੈ, you can explain. ਜਲਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਬੇਟੇ, raise your hand and then we have to move on. ਸ਼ਾਬਾਸ਼ ਬੇਟੇ, ਬੋਲੋ। ਵਾਏ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ? 801
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਰ।
ਕਰੋ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਬੇਟੇ ਨੂੰ।
ਸਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ ਜੀ।
ਬੇਟੇ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਉਹੀ ਤਾਂ ਪੁੱਛੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ।
ਸਰ ਮੈਂ ਬਸ ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗਾ ਸੀ
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੱਸੋ।
ਸਰ ਵੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਕਿਊਪਾਈ ਜਿਹੜੇ એનર્ਜੀ ਲੈਵਲਸ ਨੇ, ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ એનર્ਜੀ ਮਿਲੇਗੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲਰ ਆਰਬਿਟਲਸ ਨੂੰ, ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਪਾਈ 2 ਤੋਂ ਪਾਈ 2 ਸਟਾਰ ਤੱਕ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨਸ ਜੰਪ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਸਰ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਕਨਫਿਊਜ਼ਨ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ।
ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਆਇਆ ਬੇਟੇ?
ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਸਰ ਫਿਰ ਗੈਪ ਰਿਡਿਊਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦਾ, ਐਂ ਸੀ ਕੁਛ।
ਸਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਪਾਈ ਬੌਂਡਸ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਮਤਲਬ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਨ ਪਾਈ ਬੌਂਡਸ, ਉਦੋਂ એનર્ਜੀ ਡਿਕਰੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਵੇਵਲੈਂਥ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ।
ਵੇਵਲੈਂਥ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ?
ਸਰ એનર્ਜੀ ਗੈਪ ਘੱਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ।
એનર્ਜੀ ਗੈਪ ਘੱਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨਿਕ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਜੀਸ਼ਨਸ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਵਿਚਕਾਰ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ? ਹੋਮੋ ਤੇ ਲਿਊਮੋ ਦੇ ਵਿਚਕਾਰ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਹੋਮੋ ਕੀ ਹਾਈਐਸਟ ਓਕੂਪਾਈਡ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲਰ ऑर्बिटल, ਲਿਊਮੋ ਇਜ਼ ਲੋਐਸਟ ਅਨਓਕੂਪਾਈਡ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲਰ ऑर्बिटल। ठीक है। when conjugation increased ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ? more molecular orbitals will be there, more molecular orbitals will be there and energy gap between HOMO and LUMO will get reduced as they come close to each other. More conjugation, more more HOMO and LUMO, they will come close to each other and energy gap will reduce. So as energy gap will reduce, wavelength will increased. But in a simple